Welcome. Let's factor these three expressions we have here. The first case we have a trinomial, and the only common factor in here is this number 3. So I'm gonna take this number 3. Suppose you're dividing every term by 3. So in the first case you have only c to the third power. The second case, when you're dividing by 3, you have 2c squared. In the third term you're dividing by 3, so you have the number 4. How can you prove this? If you multiply this 3 times c to the cubic is 3c to the cubic. The next term is 3 times 2 is 6c to the second power, and the last term is just 12 because you're multiplying 3 times 4. So this is the proof you're multiplying correctly. In the second problem, I have the number 9. Look, this 27 is 9 times 3. And this 18 is 9 times 2. So I'm going to take this number 9. So because we both have p, the lowest p is to the first power, and the lowest q is also to the first power. So I'm going to write this p and q. Okay, now, because I canceled this, I took already this number 9. I'm going to take this number 3 here. And this p was taken, and one of these q's was taken. So I surviving only one q. So this is q here. In here, I'm gonna take this number 9, so plus, well, this is because this sign, plus the number 2 remains. I'm gonna take 1 from here. I have 1p, and I took another q, so I don't write this. So this is the factorization for this. Let me clean this part to make more visible. Okay, in this part, we need to make 2 steps to factor. I'm going to group this, and I'm going to group this too. So this is xy plus 6y. In the next term, the trick is because these are negative and this is negative 2, I'm going to take this negative sign. When I open a parenthesis to rewrite these 2 terms, this becomes positive for x, and the other number also becomes positive, plus 24. So what I'm looking for is one parenthesis with a positive sign, one parenthesis with a positive sign. Now, the second step in here is factor what is common in here. The only common factor in these 2 terms is y. So I'm going to open a parenthesis here. This is what remains here is 1x, and here is the number 6, minus. The common factor in these 2, in this and this, is the number 4. So I'm going to open a parenthesis, and the number x stays, plus the number 6. See that now you have this and this as a common factor for both terms. So I'm going to rewrite this as a common factor, x plus 6. I'll open another parenthesis, and I'm going to take this y minus this number 4. So this is the factorization. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.